Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A24 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Advanced Features. Then click on one-handed mode and tap on this switcher at the top in order to activate it. Then tap on the best option for you to reduce display size with gesture or button. I will go with button, so I have to click on it to apply it and follow all of those instructions below it. Double tap the home button. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. In order to resize it, you need to hold one of its corners and drag it. If you wish to place it somewhere else, hold this line at the top and drag it. Or select this little icon on the left or right side of it. In order to go back, you need to click on this blurry area. To disable one-handed mode completely, you can click on this switcher next to it and as you can see after that, it's completely disabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!